In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to fix issues with the Tesla Model Y number plate. If your license plate is loose, misaligned, or falling off, here's how you can address the problem. First, check the mounting screws or clips that hold the number plate in place. Over time, these can loosen due to vibrations or weather conditions. Use a screwdriver to tighten any loose screws or replace missing or damaged clips with new ones from a hardware store or Tesla parts supplier. If the number plate itself is cracked, bent, or damaged, it's best to replace it entirely. Visit your local Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, or an authorized license plate provider to get a new one. While replacing it, clean the area behind the plate to ensure proper adhesion and alignment. For custom frames or covers causing issues, remove them temporarily to check if they're interfering with the plate's placement. Avoid using accessories that block important parts of the plate, as this can lead to legal issues during inspections or traffic stops. If the issue is related to the mounting surface on the car, e.g. damaged paint or rust, clean and repair the area before reattaching the plate. For persistent problems, consult Tesla support for guidance or professional assistance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a properly secured number plate on your Model Y.